Yeah, hello guys, welcome to my channel today where Art Daily Designs, where I'm going to be showing you how some quick tips on how to make some profiles in architectural drawing, or maybe if you're trying to do 3D rendering. In this channel, I'll show you how to create some basic things that you need to make your building exterior look aesthetic, maybe interior look realistic. But in this topic, I'm going to be showing you how to create a profile like this. I want to show you how to create a profile for exterior. We use these things to make buildings look aesthetic for the outside. Like, let's say I'm creating a facade now. So I can decide to copy all these things. And if you look at this is just lines that I've done here. So in this tutorial now, I'm going to be showing you how I create these things. So I'm going to use this example. I'm going to go my floor plan, then where I will click on my elevation. I'm working with Chief Architect. I can also do this using Revit, AutoCAD, and ArchiCAD. But why I like this Chief Architect, you can do this with manual. So I come to elevation here. I'm already on elevation, so I'm going to pick this one, polyline solid. Let me just start from somewhere. Because for the sake of this example, I'll try as possible to monitor this height. Then take it up so they are in the same base and top level. So after I create this one, remember I picked this one. After I create this one, it's very simple to create this. Take a pick line. When you pick line, come here. I'm going to draw line here. This is just a line. Then I'll highlight this one. When I highlight it, and I'll come here down, convert polyline. If you see where you're asking me, convert polyline, then I'll click OK. Now, what happened? If you look at this place, it has already generated something, because if you can see, it has added a thickness to this line. It has added a thickness to the line. So what next thing I'm going to do, I'm going to change this molding to my test. Okay, I'm going to change it to the type of molding that I like. That is when we're not required to use the profile I earlier showed you. Then I'll click on molding. So can we replace? Okay, let's see if there's a better one that we can. But officially, I like working with this 08. But I don't know how others look. So let's just try any of them. I think the 08 will still go fine. Okay. Now let's use this as an example and replace it there. So example there. Sometimes we try giving it a height. Let's see it's for the height, and let's see 5. Maybe if we feel like increasing it, then go to 3D. So if you look at here now, you see we have something better. I think we use a different profile, not like this one. So let's see if we can change it from here. Okay, I open the dialog box, then molding. What are we using here? We're using 09. So let's replace this 09 to 08. I'm going to replace to 08. So the sizes changes. So you see. Now we have to adjust. Even without giving it a height here, we can equally double it. But first, let's take it up. Then you can copy this. Then you can copy it again. I can copy it again, then I'll bring it down. I'll copy it again, I'll bring it down. Then I'll copy it again. I'll take it up again. Now you can see it's taking some shape here. So I don't even feel like making it bigger here, because they are already at the same size. So all I need to do is just to check them. 4, 4.5. That is what it is. So this one, 4, 4.5. So I think the sizes are the same. We don't actually need to. The sizes are the same. Maybe you can take this color, then you can add it there. I think we have something beautiful there. So this is how you create a manual profile. I'm going to be showing you the next things I'm going to be doing on this plan. Okay, so just practice this and ensure that you get it correctly. But if you have any question concerning this software or any other designs, then you can drop your comment section and I will respond to you as soon as possible. And for those of you who have not subscribed to my channel, please hit that like, hit the share button, and hit the thumbnail for the bell, so that when I drop tutorial like this, you'll be the first person to see them. Bye bye and thank you for now.